Today's video, I'm going to show you how to send customer quotes using Pandadoc. Whether you're brand new or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. Let's dive in. Start by opening your browser and going to pandadoc.com. On the homepage, click the login button at the top right. For speed and convenience, choose the Google sign-in option, then select the to access Pandadoc. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Next, head over to the templates section. This is where you'll find pre-made layouts that make quoting simple. Use the search bar to type in quote and browse through the available options. Pick the template that fits your needs best, then click Use Template. Confirm by hitting Continue. Now it's time to customize your quote. Add client details, item descriptions, pricing, and any terms or conditions you'd like to include. Personalization here makes your quote more professional and tailored to your client. Once everything looks good, click the Send button at the top. Pandadoc will deliver the quote straight to your client for review. And that's it. Sent a professional customer quote in minutes. I hope this helps you feel confident using Pandadoc to streamline your quoting process. Thanks for watching.